could push it in with the Liquify tool. All right. So if I wanted to go to filter, I could go to Liquify, and I could just nudge it ever so slightly along her nose. So what I would want to do is I'd want to zoom in quick. Right? You're not going to be able to fix it completely. Well, I mean, we could, but... Alright, so... would I then go like this with the bridge of her nose? And if I hit Control Z, it grabbed her face too. You guys saw that? Alright. So we're going to grab this area. See it? All right, let's just hit OK and see what that gets us. Oh, that looks great, actually. I'm totally on board with that. That looks amazing.